What's up, everyone? Today we will be taking a look at my EDC sling bag. It is this naked brand right here. You can pronounce that however you choose. This thing was $25.99, I think, on Amazon, and for me it has worked out very nicely. I have no complaints. It has plenty of pockets here, as you can see. And there's a couple here, one on the back, the main pocket on the side there. It's got this little pocket, maybe for a smaller water bottle if you want. It's got a spot for your hydration tube if you want to do the bladder thing. It's got a couple of drain holes in case anything gets wet. The strap is padded and meshed. It's pretty comfortable and very adjustable. And what I carry in this thing is, in this pocket right here, I usually carry a granola bar, something to snack on, some caffeine strips, I think that's about it, or some caffeine packets, sorry. Just something to snack on, something to add some flavor to my water if I need it, a little bit of caffeine. And I don't think there's anything in this little pocket. This little pocket's good for some cords or something. I don't have anything in there right now though, apparently. And over here, we'll go here first. This larger pocket, I carry my power bank. This is a 30,000 milliamp hour power bank. It's got a flashlight, a compass that does not work because it's a power bank, and there's a bunch of battery or magnet type stuff in there. I also have some extra cords down in here for charging anything I need. There should be, I don't know where the little charging block is right now. Oh well. That is where I keep my power station type stuff, charging all of that. This is my fire starter pocket right here. Got some matches, a big lighter. Also have hand warmers. A couple things, hand warmers apparently. I have, in case I get a headache or anything, some goodies. And that is it in that pocket. Well, I'll put that stuff back later. This one right here, I usually keep a little organizer here. I have a notebook in here for any notes I need to take, any messages I need to leave. This is a Viperade pocket organizer here. And I usually keep a knife. This is my Olight Freeze, or O-Knife Freeze 2. An excellent knife. Also have a double-sided diamond sharpener in case I need to sharpen that knife. I have an O-Pen Mini in OD green. As you can tell, the knife OD green. I have one of the new Olight i3E EOS in OD green. I have an extra battery down here. I have another charging cable apparently. Piece of paper. And I believe that's it. A little S-beaner here. That is it for that. Usually keep that right there in that pocket in case I need a knife or pin or anything like that. It'll all be right there. Main pocket, main pocket, I keep an extra whole med kit, a little tiny one with band-aids, antibiotic ointment, alcohol prep pads, all that type of stuff. This is where I keep my video making stuff. That's a little tripod extension. I keep a gimbal in here with a little tripod attachment in here. Let's set that over here. What else? I keep this is an emergency poncho here. I thought I had, yeah, there we go, bandana in there. I keep some dude wipes. You never know when you're gonna need those. I think that's it for all this. Yeah. And then I was out working in the garden today, but back here I usually have some work gloves, and they're not in there right now. But this bag is a pretty decent sling bag for the price of $25.99. It is very durable material. The zippers are all excellent. I haven't had any issues with anything yet. I would recommend this bag 10 out of 10. They also have another one that is more of a traditional backpack shape instead of this sling bag type thing, but it is still a sling bag that I want to try out. So hopefully I'll be able to get that here soon, and then we'll have another bag video for you coming out when I get that. I hope you all enjoy this. I hope to see you on the next one. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you around.